Hello guys, welcome to the next video on Linux command line tutorial for beginners. In this video we will learn how to use grep command in Linux. Grep stands for Global Regular Expression Print. Now grep command processes text line by line and print any line which matches a specified pattern. So grep command can be used to search some kind of a pattern or word or sentence in a text file or number of text file using this grep command and some options with grep command. So let's see how we can use grep command. So first of all, I need to have for example some file to use this grep command. So I'm going to just change my directory to desktop first of all, and then here I'm going to create a file. So for example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use man and I'm going to use tar, and I'm going to dump the man page of tar to a file. For example, I'm going to name it as file.txt. okay, and then press enter, which is going to create a file. You can see this file is created, and when I'm going to open this file, it's going to show this kind of man command output for the tar. Right now I can use grep command on this file. So I'm going to clear the terminal first of all, and then let's open this file and let's see what we want to search. For example, I want to search for this word in this file called options, right? So I can use this command grep and then the pattern which I want to search for. For example, I want to search for options, right? So I will just write options here and then the name of the file in which I want to search my pattern in. Okay, so grep and then the word I want to search and then the file name, and then press enter, and you can see it has searched the line which are containing the options keyword, right? And when I open this file again, it's going to show us. So you can see this line is containing the options. So this line has this path name also. So you can see this line is printed. And then let's search here in this gedit editor also. And you can see this line also contains two option keyword, which is this line, right? And then we will go down. You can see the options with the capital letter is not search because this grep command is case sensitive by default, but we can use a flag called I to make it case insensitive, and we are going to see in the next command. But this will not be searched because the grep command is case sensitive, right? We will go a little bit down and hopefully we will see the next options line. So this is the next options line, which is this one, right? So all the line containing options keyword is searched and printed, right? Now I was talking about the case sensitive option, right? So to make the grep command to look for case insensitive word also, so capital or small doesn't matter, you can use I flag with it. Okay, so if you use I flag, then it's going to search for capital or small letter words, and when I print enter, you can see it search for small letter options line also, and you can see it searches for the capital letter options keyword also, right? Now for example, I want to print the line number in which this result is appearing. So I want to print the first of all line number and then the result. So I can use the option called for example N. N is for printing the line number, right? I can just remove this I, which is for case insensitiveness, right? And when I print enter, you can see on the line 9 I have this option, then 17 and then 348. So I can prove this by just seeing this. So you can see this is line 9. You can see here line 9 column 29, right? And then next is 17 here. You can see line number, right? So it's showing the correct result to us. Now next is the flag we can use to, for example, we can use multiple keyword here also. So it doesn't it's not necessary that this has to be a word. It can be a sentence also, right? So for example, I will do it once again, and this time instead of options I will just see in the text what I want to search. For example, so I want to search for some options line, okay, not the keyword option, but this sentence, for example, some options. And instead of options I will just give this keyword called some option. So some options, and then press enter, and it just shows the line which contains this pattern, which is some options. So once again, the line number is 17, as we know, and it searched for this line only. Okay, so this is also you can use grep command. Now you can also use grep command with multiple files. So let me clear the terminal and let me copy this file into different files. So for example, file 2, and then I'm going to create file 3 also, for example, and then file 4 also. Okay, and then I want to search in these all 4 files something. So let's search for this same option in different files. So you can use the same command, grep and -n for line number, and then your pattern or sentence, whatever you want to search, and then the file name. So it can be first file name, and then file 2, for example, and then file 3 if you want to search in file 3, and also file 4 if you want to search in file 4, and then press enter. And now you can see it's giving the name of the file first and then the line number. So file.txt contains this pattern, then file2.txt contains this pattern on this line, then file 3 contains this on this line, and then file 4 also contains on this this pattern on this line, right? Now this command you have to type all the file names, right? This can be made simpler with a wildcard. So instead of writing this, when you use asterisk, it means all the files in this folder, right? So it means file 1, file 2, file 3 and file 4, because these are the files which are there in the desktop folder. So this asterisk means that it's a wildcard, and it means that it's going to search for all the files, and press enter, and it's going to search or give the same result to you. Okay, now sometimes you want to search for the lines, for example, in the inverse manner. So just search for the lines which doesn't contain this pattern, for example, right? So you can use a flag. Let me clear the terminal first of all, and once again use a grep command, and then whenever you use this V flag, it means invert match, which means that all the lines which doesn't contain this pattern, it's going to show these lines. Okay, so it's the invert match. Okay, and let me just use only one file for now, file.txt, and then press enter. So it's showing all the line which doesn't contain this word which we are searching for. Let me also show the line number also. So with N, I'm going to show the line number. So it's only showing the lines which doesn't contain this keyword, which is some options, right? So you can verify from here. This terminal is not printing all the lines, right? But when you verify it, it's not going to show you the line number 17, because this contains this pattern which we are searching for. Okay, so there are many flags and options which you can use with grep command. I just wanted to give you the introduction to grep command. So go ahead and just use grep -h. So just write grep -h here and then press enter, and it shows that to use help you need to use this command. So not -h but grep --help. Okay, so just use this --help, and then it's going to show you all the flags and options which you can use with the grep command. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.